Can you actually figure out the smartest way to invest your money right now? Or are most people just doing it wrong? Because here's the truth. While you're sitting on your cash, inflation is quietly making you poorer every single day. And at the same time, the market feels unpredictable, risky, and honestly confusing. So what do most people do? They either don't invest at all, or they jump in blindly and hope for the best. But what if there was a smarter, simpler way to do this? If you're like most people, you've probably been wondering where to put your money so it actually grows. But here's the problem. Inflation is eating your savings, the market keeps going up and down, and there are way too many options. So you either do nothing or feel stuck trying to make the perfect decision. Investing today feels like this. You think you figured it out, and then suddenly the market drops. Inflation slowly steals your money, market volatility stresses you out, and too many choices leave you overwhelmed. But here's the good news. There are a few strategies that are simple, proven, and actually work long-term. First, index funds. This is one of the smartest and simplest ways to invest. If you invest $1,000 into an S&P 500 index fund, you're automatically investing in 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. That means built-in diversification, low fees, and strong long-term growth. Second, REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These let you invest in real estate without actually buying property. You get passive income, diversification, and a lower barrier to entry. Third, safer assets like bonds or high-yield savings accounts. They provide more stability, lower risk, and more predictable returns. They're not exciting, but they help protect your money. All of these strategies are built on one powerful idea: long-term thinking and diversification. You don't need to time the market, you don't need to chase quick wins, you need to spread your risk, stay consistent, and think long-term. So the smartest way to invest right now is simple. Use index funds, consider REITs, and balance with safer assets. And most importantly, build a strategy that works for you. Drop a comment below. Are you already investing or just getting started? And if you want simple, no-nonsense advice about money, hit subscribe.
You can stand under my